Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is June 8, 2021. We're going to talk about XRP and give you all three reasons XRP price could rally to $3.30. It's simply an article that we're going to look at. It's right here. We're going to go through this article and see what are those reasons as to XRP's price can go up to $3.30. And if it's something feasible, if we're seeing it on the price chart, of course, we'll let you all know. If not, we'll play the other side of the market. So we're not going to give you any fear, any FUD, any FOMO. We're going to be more realistic in terms of where we're expecting XRP price to go. And as always, before I break all of this down, if you appreciate it, make sure you hit the like button. Also share and subscribe the video. You can tap that bell notification as well in order to ensure you do not miss out on any of our video content that we are delivering here on this platform. So let's break this down real quick. Apparently, Sheldon McIntyre from FX Street has issued out this article about three reasons why XRP price could rally to $3.30. And clearly already, before you start reading the article, those three bullets right here talked about those reasons. The first one is XRP's price illustrates a multi-year head and shoulders pattern with 600% potential. Now that 600% potential is where he equates that $3.30 from. Second reason, Ripple builds on the momentum for its payment system. The new financial institution joining almost every week. And then lastly, XRP's price benefiting from small but important victories versus the SEC. All right. Now, also FX Street, Sheldon tries to go and break down the price of XRP in terms of technical analysis. You know, that thing that we do not push here on this particular channel. Let's go through this article, and I want you all to listen to what I'm saying in regards to what he wrote for the technical analysis for XRP's price. Okay, so Ripple has clarified price structure with a cup and handle, with a cup with high handle base on the 4-hour chart, providing the first precise, actionable price level for bullish investors. So he's trying to tell you this cup and handle that is being formulated on a chart is an action that you need to take and buy XRP, right? If you're bullish for this currency. The notable levels of resistance should melt away. This is one thing about technical analysis that they will not tell you, is that it has to happen first. Technical analysis does not have the ability to predict and forecast price movement. So it has to first take out the recent gains. So if that does not happen, the noble levels of resistance, if that cannot be taken out the way, then he's already letting us know that XRP will not go higher. What about the next paragraph? XRP's price illustrates a cup with handle high base. You just wrote that in the previous paragraph. That is based on the intraday charts. The pattern development has been consistent with successful precedents. So he's trying to say that historically, this has been a reliable source to show us that once this occurs, XRP's price go higher. And it's defined by rising volume on the right side of the cup with a declining volume as the handle progresses, as is being formulated. As for timing, the base could trigger in the next couple of days. So this whole article is going into a freaking cup, and he's trying to explain how bullish this image of a chart of a cup and handle being seen on a chart could be bullish, right? Then he goes into Fibonacci retracements. The measured move target. Listen how technical this is. The only thing that you and I are worried about is where the price is going to go. Like Sheldon, don't give me all of this technical jargon as to determining if you think XRP is going to go higher in price. Listen to this. This is what he writes. The measured move target of the base of $1.53 is yielding a 40% return from the handle high at $1.10. In the path of the measured move target is 38.2 Fibonacci retracement of the April-May decline at $1.15. The declining 4-hour simple moving average will be a likely challenge, followed by a 50% retracement at $1.30 and then a 61.8% retracement at $1.46. That is too much complexity being involved when you just want to know where the market is going to go. Beyond the measured move, notable resistance is at $1.70. And then look at the chart. He has all of this going on into the chart. And the only thing that we're trying to formulate is, where in the world is XRP's price going to go? Don't talk about Fibonacci retracements. Don't give me simple moving averages. Don't give me the RSI that he has down here at the bottom of this chart. Just show me your prediction. Speak to me in simple terms to justify where you think the market is going to go. The outlook is altered. See, he goes through this whole first portion of this article and tried to create a notion that XRP's price could go up to $3.30, but then towards the bottom, read this last paragraph. The outlook is altered if XRP closes below the 54-hour simple moving average at 96 cents. It may signal another test of about 80 to 85 cents price range that has been constructive support against heavy selling since May 19 low. So even in creating this article and trying to make one think that XRP is going to go higher, you always have to leave a exit just in case it doesn't go that way. And he's literally done that there in that paragraph. So I will have the link for you all if you all want to catch up on this particular article. I just wanted to show you 3 reasons that Sheldon thinks Ripple or XRP's price could go to $3.30. This is what he believes. This is not the majority, right? This is only one individual who's trying to give you reasons as to why XRP price could go higher. But now let's look at the chart. This is the truth. This is what the market is going to dictate to us and has the basis of everyone, not just Sheldon. This is everyone's idea as to what the market is going to do. So why would you continue to read articles of what other people think? Just have a look at the price chart. You guys can see the last time we did our price prediction in XRP was about 3 days ago, June the 5th, 2021. And we expected the market in XRP to go lower, and it has done that. Now, we wasn't expecting a monumental movement to the downside, but rather we've been explaining that the market in XRP is looking just to trade sideways. And so far, so good. The market has been trading well within our 2 horizontal lines, right? So let's take a look at these different time frames first, because we want to see if the weakness is going to continue, or are we going to see strength continue into the market and the market at least continue to trade sideways for the next 3 days. This is the 3-day time frame real quick in the market in the XRP. And yes, the market here is weak. There's no disputing that. This is the 5-day time frame. And again, we're still seeing that the market here in XRP is weak. But one thing I really want you all to pay attention is to the volume, right? The volume is extremely light. As we go throughout time, the volume decreases substantially following this last completed 5-day price bar of May 26, 2021. This volume remains light, then it lets me know that all of this selling that occurred here in XRP is literally almost out the way. And when that occurs, you would expect us to get some higher price movement to enter into the market in XRP. Okay, so this is it here. Again, the volume in XRP has been on a decrease. So I want to look at this real quick on the hourly time frame. I want to see if the market in XRP is going to continue to give us strength and weakness. And so far, I'm not really expecting too much to occur in the market for XRP. Okay. So what we're going to do on this particular video is we're going to take out that profit from our last price prediction, which will give us, if we were to get out now, about 8.25%. Let's take that away. And what we're getting here on the hourly time frame I want to show you is that the volume is coming through, right? This is the 90-minute chart for XRP. And the volume has been on the increase, letting us know that we are seeing buyers trying to step in around this 84 to 85 cent price, right? They're coming through, which is a wonderful thing to see because it lets us know that this market is going to hold this sideways trading at least for the next couple of days. Okay. So we can actually play that in the market for XRP. And I want to see if it's going to be worth putting in a prediction though, because literally 90 cents is where that area of restriction is. So it's about 4.25% price movement to the upside that we can try to anticipate the market going in XRP. Seven-hour time frame. Let me see this on the 5-hour. Yeah, I'm expecting the market in XRP to give us some sideways trading action. You could play this if you want, 4.25% to see the market trying to tap out around 90 cents to around like 92. We can do that, but I'm not overly bullish. I'm not overly bearish into the market in XRP. I'm just literally expecting us to get some more sideways trading to occur, and that area of restriction would be around 90 cents to around 92 cents is where we would come through and TP out the market. Now this is something that's anticipated to happen relatively quick, right? I'm not really expecting the market to give us, a monumental movement, whether to the upside, to the downside, but this is what we're going to play with so far in this space. Because I want you all to think or believe that we're out the woods yet completely and seeing these cryptocurrencies drop another leg to the downside. Not yet. But from what we're getting in XRP is just simply this market continuing to do what it's been doing since we came into this trading channel and do just that. So this is it. This is what we're expecting the market in XRP to do. And as always, to be a part of our community, I want you all to leave us a comment. Call the markets. Tell me where do you think the price in XRP is going to go in the next 3 days so that you can grab some profits out this market. Let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.